Hi, I'm Journey. Let's go ahead and take a look at an AP World History problem. So let's take a look. This question has a stimulus in the form of a table. The great thing about tables is that they give us clearly defined information so we can quickly grab whatever information is relevant. Anything that we need more specifically, we're going to get from the question. So this table is really just giving us a couple examples of Mughal artillery. Fantastic. Let's take a look at the question and see how we can apply that. What this question is really asking us to do is to make a connection between what's in the table, Mughal artillery, and larger trends from 1450 to 1750. So let's take a look at the choices and see which one actually does answer this question. If you look at choice A is a true statement. The diffusion of Asian and Middle Eastern knowledge really did help European understanding of ocean navigation during this time period, except the table doesn't address that. And so it's not really relevant to this question. A historian isn't going to use any data in the table to research that, so we can eliminate A. Choice B hits both the fact that we have advances in gunpowder weaponry and expanding land-based empires, which is perfect because the Mughal Empire had at least these examples of artillery, and as a land-based empire, they expanded during this time period. Choice C, well, weaponry is relevant, but the Mughal Empire didn't use joint stock companies, so we're going to eliminate that. And choice D, we don't want that either because during this time period, Indian Ocean trade networks did not decline, so that one's untrue. That leaves us only with choice B, which is true and answers the question. So, what are our takeaways? Sometimes wrong answers have true statements, which means you always want to go for the answer that is true and answers the question. And when you're drawing on background knowledge, make sure you only worry about the information you need to answer the question at hand. This question is from Kaplan's new AP World History QBANK. There you find hundreds of questions, all with detailed explanations. You can even make your own quizzes based on time period. To learn more, click the link in the description.